Hi all, I'm Shay Bar from IT team. Here is a quick demo about Lead Generation AI Agent. This AI agent is built using MindStudio. We'll walk you through configuration of this agent so you can use it for your own needs. Alice, would you mind?
Sure, Shay. Hello, I'm Alice. Let's go over configuration for the first run of this agent. After remixing this agent, go to MindStudio and edit the agent, please. The purpose of this is to create the Google Sheet that we will fill with ICPs. Once we're inside in edit mode, we'll go to Table Header. Run this first-time workflow. Here we choose the Create Google Sheet block. Now we need to set the name of the spreadsheet. For this demo, I called it ICP Generator. Please make sure the account is set to your email at Google. Next step, we'll create the new Google Sheet. For that, we'll go to our Google Sheet environment. Here, we did a nice little trick. MindStudio lets you define a run mode for each workflow. We set the table header, run this first-time workflow to run in browser extension mode. So, when we'll use it here, it will run only the specified workflow. Creating the new Google Sheet that we previously configured. Let me run it from the Chrome extension and create this Google Sheet for us. Boom, created. Let's open it. Here we can see that the agent populated the headers for us. Lovely, it's fun. Give me a second here to change this to a table format. Okay, cool, done. Next step, before we can use it, I'll head back to MindStudio and point the new Google Sheet. First configuration is to the block Fetch Google Sheet in the main workflow. I'll remove the previous spreadsheet by pressing on X. Now, I'll press Choose Document. It will open my Google environment. Let's choose ICP Generator, and we'll also put this in range because this is also the name of the tab for our ICPs. Second configuration is to update Google Sheet block under Sub-Create Contact Workflow. Same here. I'll remove the previous spreadsheet by pressing on X. I'll press Choose Document. It will open my Google environment. Again, I'll choose ICP Generator and put it in range as well. Let me check some configuration to the function before this block. I'll make sure this function will not include headers. Now, we can publish it and call our CMO Julie. She's not just beautiful, but also super talented. Please, Julie, demonstrate how you use it.
Thank you, Alice. That's so lovely of you. You and Shay really make the job easier. And you're also really hot. One could think we're from a modeling agency. Okay, let me demonstrate how I use it. First, I'll fill the form. CMO, New York, full rescan, company size 50 to 300, and I'll add some keywords to narrow the search results from Apollo. I'll press Continue. As you can see on screen, the agent is running, collecting ICPs according to the criterias we filled in the form. It saves me a lot of time. Alice, do you want to explain what we're seeing on screen?
Sure. The AI agent is now collecting the ICPs. Then, as you can see on the left pan, it will run the sub-workflows to enrich each person and finally send them to our Google Sheet. Julie, if you want, you can go to the spreadsheet and see how it fills with the new ICPs.
Sure, we'll go there now. Wow, amazing! Let me add a small function to see their faces. Lovely. I'll pull this function to all rows and make some alignments. That's it. I'll finish the run for this demo, but as you can see, it was the first page out of 42 pages. I could continue collecting more ICPs. Back to you, Shay.
Thank you, Alice, and thank you, Julie. As promised, IT team delivers again. This agent will be available to you in the Community Agent section at MindStudio. Thanks for watching.